for challenge 18, very similar program. Write an algorithm that outputs all odd numbers between 1 and 20 only. So this one's going to take a little bit of trial and error, but we can keep the same code. This time we want to increase between 1 and 20, so we're going to want between 1 and 21. So that instead of 1 and 10, it's going to be 1 and 20. This time, if we just test that program, make sure that it's working. This time, it should output all the numbers from 1 to 20. Now what we need to do is say that we don't want any of these even numbers. So what we're going to do is you add in a step count. So the first value in the brackets, first parameter, is the starting value, then it's the end value, and then we have the step count. So if we want to increase by 2 each time, it will start from 1, jump to 3, jump to 5, jump to 7, jump to 9, and so on. So let's try that first. 1, 3, 5, 7. That's it. That's every single odd number between 1 and 20. So just to confirm, what you want to start from, what you want to finish on, and how many times you want it to increase. If you're a little bit confused by that, if I change it to 3 instead, you'll see that it goes from 1, jumps to 4, jumps to 7, jumps to 10. It's adding 3 each time instead. So to get all of the odd numbers, we do this. If you wanted to get all of the even numbers, you'd have to start from number 2, go to 21 and jump by 2 each time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so the step count is how much it increases by. This is the start value, this is the end value.